Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to change credit card due date on Chase application. So let's start with the first step, which is to open the Chase mobile application on your iPhone or Android device, and then just sign into your account. Now on the home screen, you will see all your Chase accounts displayed as cards, checking, savings, and credit cards. So you just have to scroll through it and tap on the credit card that you want to change the due date for. Next step is open your credit card account. So your credit card account details screen will open up, and here you can see your current balance, available credit, minimum payment due, and most importantly, your current payment due date. So you just have to look for the three dot menu, or the manage or the settings option near at the top of the screen, and then tap it. Next step is find the change payment due date. So in the account management menu, you just have to scroll down and look for the change payment due date or payment due date option. So tap on it and Chase will allow you to change your due date to help align payments with your paycheck schedule or other bills. Next step is select your new due date. So a calendar or a list of available dates will appear. So Chase typically offers dates between 1st and 28th of each month. So you just have to pick a date that works best for your budget cycle. So you just have to take note that you can usually only change your due date once every few months. So choose wisely. Next is just tap on continue when you're ready. Lastly is confirm the change. So your new payment due date has been set. So you will see a confirmation screen with your updated due date clearly displayed. So the change typically takes 1 to 2 billing cycles to fully take effect. So set a reminder on your phone so you don't miss the first payment on the new date. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.